podcast will take you on a journey into the world of adolescence, where you're about to witness two different families. So, let's embark on this emotional and thought-provoking journey together. Please join me in welcoming the cast and crew of adolescence. House, where the day begins with a familiar struggle. Let's watch as Rohan's parents try to get him out of bed and see how this ordinary morning unfolds into a poignant moment.
Sanjeev.
At least cook something tastier today.
Yes.
Yes, can't eat anything. 6:25, still sleeping. I haven't seen children like this.
Oh my god, it's 6:30. Come on. Good morning, sweetie. It's time to wake up.
5 more minutes, Mama.
Yes, Mama. No, 5 more minutes. You slept in late. Now you're going to be late for school.
What's the time, Mama?
It's 6:30. You need to get up, get dressed, and have a breakfast.
What's going on there? You're still asleep? You're going to be late for school today.
I overslept, Papa.
Overslept? You have been oversleeping for weeks now. You need to start taking responsibilities for yourself.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Sorry isn't enough, Ron. You need to start getting your act together. You are not a kid anymore.
You're in high school now.
It's time to start taking things seriously.
I'm taking things seriously, Dad. You're always on my case about something.
That's because we want the best for you. And right now, to get out from the bed, get dressed, and get to school on a time.
Rohan, don't worry. It's all for your sake. Rohan, and let me clear one thing. If you are late for school again, there will be many consequences. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand, Dad. For heaven's sake, will you please keep quiet?
No, Rohan, you should not say like this to your father.
Every morning disturbing
Why
me.
are you making noise? I want to sleep.
Get up, Rohit. Get up. Scene 2. Rohan's story might have resonated with many of us, but adolescence is not just about one person's struggles. Let's move on to our next scene, where we meet Ria, a young girl yearning for communication with her parents.
I need to talk to you about something.
Not now, sweetie. Your daddy's on deadline.
Mommy? That's always the case. You are always busy. When was the last time we had a dinner together as a family?
Oh, Ria. Don't be dramatic. We are providing for you only, aren't we?
Yes, sweetie, we are giving you the best life possible.
That's not true. You are not giving me anything. You are just giving me some money and presents, but you are never here for me. I won't talk to you anymore. I'm going to my school.
Let's carry on our work. I will talk to her later.
Yes, dear, you do that. Scene 3. Despite provides a sense of request for many adolescents. But what happens when the struggles of all life spill over into the school grounds? Watch as these two teenagers find solace in each other's company and discover that they're not alone in their struggles.
Don't disturb ya.
join us?
No, you carry on. I'll be here.
Rohit, what happened to your brother? Nothing, is not interested.
Hi Meet, hi Laiba.
Hello.
Don't disturb them. Hey Rohan, what's up?
Not much, Riya. Just trying to stay awake after boring grammar class.
I know, right? I feel like I was going to fall asleep.
Hey, you're always so alert in class. I was surprised. How didn't you fall asleep?
Hey, watch it. I'm just as dead as you are.
Come, Laiba, what's happening here?
Nothing, yaar. We were just discussing about boring grammar lesson.
Yeah, such a boring class.
Heads off, Laiba. True.
So, what's new with you? How's life at home?
It's complicated. My parents are always busy with work. I feel like I'm just a nuisance to them.
I'm sorry, Riya, but it sounds tough. My parents are always honoring me. At least you are lucky enough to have such parents who never disturbs you.
No, Rohan, you are wrong. Actually, you are the luckiest person. You have everyone in your family to hear you.
Oh my god, that's the biggest problem.
Hey, stop. I want to tell you something. Today evening, my family has planned my birthday party. All of you are invited. Agree?
Sure, dear.
But for many teenagers, even the simplest request can become a battleground. Let's join Rohan as he asks his parents for permission to attend his friend Mit's birthday party.
Mom, Dad, can I talk to you about something?
What is it, Rohan?
I was wondering if I could go to Mit's birthday party tonight.
Which Meet is this? How do you know him?
Meets from school. We are friends.
What's the party for? How old is this me?
It's his 15th birthday, Dad, and it's just a normal party with friends.
Normal party? What does that even mean, Rohan? Will be there any adult supervision?
Yes, Mom, Mit's parents will be there.
And what about other kids? Who's going to be there?
Dad, I already told you, it's just a normal party with friends.
Rohan, we need to think about this. We can't just let you to go any party you want.
But why not? You never let me to do anything.
Rohan, that's enough. We will discuss this later.
Mom, Dad, please can I go to Mit's birthday party? All my friends will be there, but I will be the only one who left out.
Rohan, we already discussed about this. You can't just go to every party you are invited to.
But why not? This is not fair. You never let me to do anything.
Rohan, calm down, sweetie. We are not trying to be unfair.
No, you never trust me. You never let me to do anything.
Rohan, stop crying. We will think about this later.
Really, Dad?
Yes, really. But you have to promise us that you will be responsible and come to home on a time.
Yes, I promise. I'll be responsible. I swear.
Alright. You can go to the birthday party.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom.
Okay. Just be careful and have fun.
At last, I got the permission.
To share news about Mit's birthday party. But what do you think? Will they be equally enthusiastic? Let's witness the heartbreaking moment when Ria's excitement is met with indifference and anger.
Yes, dear, what is it? My friend's birthday party is today and I was wondering if I could go.
That's nice, dear.
Dad, Mom, can I go to the party?
Huh? Come again, Riya. What's the question? Can you repeat it?
Oh, Riya, can you pass me that file?
They are not even listening to me. Dad, Mom, please give me an answer. What should I do?
Riya, why are you disturbing us? You know our work stress very well. If you are interested in the party, you can.
Okay.
Scene 6. Now, let's move on to Mit's birthday party where the celebration is in full swing. But amidst all the joy, Ria's anxiety is also growing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Laiba, who will come to pick you?
My father will come. I just call him.
Okay, I'm trying to call my parents. Why aren't they answering my calls?
Hey Ria, what's wrong?
My parents were supposed to pick me up, but they're not even answering my calls now.
What happened, Ria? Why are you tensed?
Parents are not answering my calls.
Rohan, shall we walk her home?
But I need to inform my parents.
Then inform fast.
I don't have mobile.
Oh, make a call fast.
Hello?
Hello Dad.
Whose number is this, Rohan? How did you get a phone? What's going on, Rohan?
It's Ria's number, Dad. Ria's parent did not came her to pick from the birthday party, so we were thinking that we will walk her home.
What? No. You can't just go to that area alone.
But Dad, I'm not alone. My all friends are there.
Rohan, you don't understand. What if something happened to you?
No Dad, I promise I'll be careful.
Rohan, you can't go there. It's not worth of risk.
But Dad, she is my friend.
Rohan, my answer is final.
Sorry Ria, I'm helpless.
Don't worry, Rohan. My father will accompany us.
Really? You would do that for me?
Of course, we will walk you home.
Scene 7. Watch how Mit's father priorities and find a healthier balance between work and family life. The scene also portrays, let's not forget, children need freedom to grow. Come on, let's enjoy the wake-up call given to the parents.
Excuse me, may I come?
With pleasure, sir. How can I help you?
I am Ria's principal.
Please be seated, sir.
I want to talk to her. Could you please call her?
Of course, sir. Dear, please call her out.
Ria?
हो कार्यक्रम में
Dear.
हाँ
Where is she? What is she doing inside?
वो याले पड़ो
She might be doing
हाँ
some
काली
work.
बिड़ी
Kindly wait.
काली
sir.
बिड़ी है कि
Ria is with me, ma'am. Today we have a birthday party at our home.
Oh, sorry, sir. She informed us. But we have been caught in our own problems.
What's this, Rohan? You have promised us that you will be right back after the birthday party. You swore that you will be right back at 6:30. But now it's 7 o'clock. How can we trust you, Rohan?
Sir, please be cool. As a teacher, it's disheartening to see both the parents as irresponsible and over-concerned.
Sorry, sir. We have been extremely preoccupied with our professional commitments.
That's no excuse. As parents, it's your responsibility to prioritize your children's needs, and you, sir, need to learn to communicate your son instead of jumping into the conclusions.
I am just trying to protect him. Is it wrong?
Protection is the one thing, but suffocating him with the overprotectiveness is another. I suggest you both to take a step back and try to do better for the sake of your child.
We are sorry, Ria. We weren't there for you when you needed us. We promised to do better.
We realize now that being good parents means being present and supportive. We'll make sure to prioritize that from now, dear. Oh, my sweet dad, I'm so happy to have both of you near me.
We have been overprotective because we want the best for you, not to hate us. We will find a new balance from now.
No, Dad, I love you a lot. I know you did all for my sake. You did all for my sake. Thank you, Dad.
I am proud of you for working together to create a positive change. Remember, family is the journey, not a destination. It's never too late to learn and grow. I am grateful to have a part of your journey.
The moral of our drama is, family is a journey and not a destination. Now, let me introduce our actors. Kaustubh as Rohan's father, Aditya Jain as Rohan, Hassan as Rohit, Hashmira as Rohan's mother, Atulya as Ria, Nayan as Ria's father, Fatima as Ria's mother, Nived as Mit, and Laiba portrays herself as Laiba. and Himanshu as Rohan's grandfather. Aditya Nigam as Mr. Sharma. Thank you.
Thank you.